If you live in the USA, your credit score is effectively your financial report card. Whether you want to rent an apartment, buy a car, get a mortgage, or even apply for certain jobs, a strong credit score is essential. In this video, I will break down exactly how credit scores work and share simple, actionable strategies you can use to build and boost your score quickly, even if you are starting completely from scratch. First, let's understand what makes up your score. Credit scores usually range from 300 to 850, and a score above 720 is generally considered excellent. Your score is calculated using 5 key factors: payment history, credit utilization, lengths of credit history, new credit, and credit mix. Notice that payment history and credit utilization make up 65% of your total score. So focusing on these two areas will yield the fastest results. If you have no credit history at all, banks will usually not give you an unsecured credit card. The best way to get started is by getting a secured credit card. You deposit a small sum, like $200, which becomes your credit limit. Use it for small recurring purchases and pay it off in full every single month. Your credit history will begin reporting within 30 to 60 days. Alternatively, you can ask a trusted family, member or friend with an excellent credit history to add you as an authorized user on their credit card. Their positive payment history will reflect on your credit profile automatically. To boost an existing score rapidly, manage your credit utilization carefully. Keep your overall balance below 30% of your total limit at all times. But for the fastest score boost, aim to keep it under 10%. A great pro tip is that credit card. Companies report your balance to credit bureaus on your statement closing date, not the due date. Pay off most of your balance before your statement closing date so the reported balance remains extremely low. Finally, protect your score by setting up automatic payments. A single payment delayed by more than 30 days can drop your credit score drastically. Put every card on automatic payment for at least the minimum amount due to. Avoid late payments entirely. Also, make sure to visit annualcreditreport.com to review your credit reports for free. If you notice incorrect late payments or unauthorized accounts, file a dispute immediately to have them removed. Building great credit does not happen overnight, but if you follow these steps consistently, you will see noticeable improvements in just a few months. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical financial strategies. Leave any questions in the comments below, and thanks for watching.